Is when you get your hair done, hair did, and right around in the edges, it's a little tight, and then you're trying to be cute and pin it up immediately. Sometimes they need to, you gotta wait a day or two, but that's all right. We gonna be cute. We gonna work this out. Yeah. Okay. Quick twirl. We gotta get installing. She got 45 minutes.
Hey girl, welcome to this channel. My name is Marissa Jones. So for today's video, if you've already watched the braid pattern video on this hair, then you know this is the crochet part of it. Because like I said, this video was going to be so long, I had to split it in two. So this is the installation video, and let's get straight into it. When you are installing this crochet, either braids or faux locks or Senegalese twists, whatever you're installing, make sure to push your crochet needle from the front to the back. Why? Because the loop will fall towards your hair and not towards your hairline. Okay? So if you notice, you see that I am pushing the crochet needle from her perimeter or her hairline towards the inside of her hair. And this way, it will make the loop of the crochet go on the inside. When she pulls her hair up, you can't see the loop. Okay, so keep that in mind. So at this point, I am just filling in the hair. And when we get to the back also, I will do the same thing. The reason why I am making sure that I put the crochet needle through the triangles towards her front is because it's a half up, half down hairstyle. And so I cannot have the crochet hair loop showing where we have that line going on. So I have to make sure that I push the crochet latch hook straight from the triangle on this side towards the front. This way the loop goes to the inner part of her hair. I hope that makes sense. So after that, those are the main things that I just want to clarify with you guys know so you understand. And after that, I'm just going to fill everything in. And when I'm done, I'll put the hair away. And then I'm going to move to the back of her head. And guys, really, this is a simple. I think the hardest part of this hair was the braid pattern. After that, the installation of the faux locks was just a breeze, as you can tell. It was beautiful. After that, we put the hair up. We took some pictures. It was fun. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you absolutely learned something from this video, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you share the video, and please leave a comment. Let me know what else you would like to see. Are there any hairs out there you want me to try? Are there any styles you've seen that you want me to explain better, or you're not sure of? Just leave a comment for me. Let me know what you guys want to see so I can make sure that I'm giving you what you want, okay? Alright guys, so take care of yourself, and remember that I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! You make painful faces. People gonna say I'm killing you.
You ain't killing me, but y'all know how it is when you get your hair done, hair did, and right around in the edges, you know, it's a little tight, and then you're trying to be cute and pin it up immediately. You know, sometimes you gotta wait a day or two, but that's all right. We gonna be cute. We gonna work this out. Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Don't edit that out.
Oh,
I'm happy. Okay, all right.
all right, darling. Be careful.
All right. Bye.
You're gonna take your car now. Just hi, bum.
I know. I'm gonna have to duck when I get in. I think you got it up there. I don't think it's going nowhere, Marissa. It's gonna be up for a couple of days.
Okay.
All right. I feel like the black goddess. Yeah.
You is
into my
the black
earrings.
goddess.
Bye. 5 minutes, Marissa.
I understand. Just to head backwards from you a little bit. There you go. Perfect.